operator to filter records using multiple conditions. Let's say, for example, we want to display all the email records in our database where the first name is equal to Ted and the last name is equal to King. To do so, replace your existing SQL query with this line. Here, we've created a select statement to select the email column from our users table where first name is equal to Ted, and so we have a second condition, the last name is equal to King. Now let's update our echo statement as well because we want to output the email and not the first name. Looking at our database, we know for a fact that there is no record where the first name is equal to Ted and the last name is equal to King. Okay, the only record we have is first name Ted and last name Smith. So when we refresh our page, it should say 0 results, and it does. Now let's say, for example, we were to change the last name to Smith. Now we know that these two conditions will be met. There is a record where the first name is Ted and the last name is Smith. So if we press refresh, it outputs that one result. Okay, that's the email address linked to that record. So it found the record where both these conditions were met.